In this video, I'm going to clarify how to fill out the wig measurement chart that you were given on Canvas. There is a diagram, but this just gives you a little bit more clarification. Measurement A is the circumference of the head, so it's really just the widest point at the top above the eyebrows. Measurement B is from the nape of your neck to the front of your hairline. In order to do this, you can either pull all of the hair to one side or do pigtails to get a straight line down the back. Measurement C is from ear to ear over the top of the head. You can measure from the top of the ear at the highest point directly over the head. Measurement D is temple to temple. So your temples are located to the sides of your eyes. It's kind of the soft spot, so wherever the edge of the hairline is near that area. And measurement E is sideburn to sideburn over crown. So take the furthest length of the sideburn and go kind of at a 45 or wherever the highest point of the back of the head is. Measurement F is sideburn to sideburn from one longest side to the other longest side directly across the top. Measurement G is directly across the back of the nape. Measurement H is just the width of the sideburn from the fullest part of the sideburn to the ear. Measurement I is from ear to ear around the back of the head instead of the top. Section J is the area that's in the front of your head, temple to temple, but across the widest point, which is usually the forehead area near the eyebrows. K is the bridge of the nose to the hairline, so directly in between your eyebrows to where your hair starts on the front of your face. Section L is from the bridge of the nose to the receding point. So on your chart, you have a left and a right side. You only need to utilize that if the left and the right side are different. You just find the furthest point back where your hair starts. Section M is ear to nape, so the top of the ear to the end of where your hair starts in the back, on the nape of the neck. And lastly, measurement N is from the temple to the furthest point on the sideburn.